Good morning, dear children. This class is for class 4th A and B. Class for class 4th A and B. Now listen to me. This is the revision I am sending for you to do the revision. Because I don't have online class continuously, maybe one or two. So I am finding difficult to revise with you. So this is the way I will revise. Just to respond to my revision. Now coming to the textbook Oxford Modern English, the textbook lesson 5 is not there for the unit test. Lesson 5 I have not done and it is not there for the unit test. Don't ask again and again, ma'am, lesson 5 is there, 5 is there. So many times no need to repeat for me. Now coming to the lesson poem, the snare. Coming to the poem, the snare, page number 67. Page number 67. Now, I told you options will be coming. Options. Now, suppose one example I will give you like this. In the snare poem, in the snare poem, the person hears the cry of a pain and frighten or sorrow. Third option, sound of rain. Fourth option, sound of laughing. So correct answer you have to write from there. This is only revision. I don't know whether it will come or don't come. So this is the way I am revising with you. From the question answer you have to read. From the question answer you have to read because all the answers are whichever option I am taking from the question answer. The options which I take is from the question answers. So please do read the question answers nicely. You should know by heart them. You don't have much difficulties because you have 2 lessons, 2 poems. Only that much to study. And 2 poems also you haven't by heart them, but you have to recite them. Poems are not read, but recite them. Recite. So the answers will be coming in between from them. Now another example I am giving you. Dr. Dolittle lived with his sister dash. Sarah, Renu, Sneha, many. So answer is which correct, that you have to tick there which is correct answer, isn't it? So this is the way I am revising with you and you learn that way only question answers. The question answers will come like that only. Okay. So that is the way I will revise with you. Now coming to the same lesson, the what is there? Now you have to know the author's name. This is the revision. Please note down. Author's name. Poet name. Not author, poet's name. James Stephenson. The snare poem is written by dash. So any option it will be there. You have to write the correct option, the name. Understood? Now that is the way I will revise them. That is the way I will revise you. So this is the revision. Understood? Now coming to the next lesson, that is the story of Dr. Dolittle. The story of Dr. Dolittle. That lesson also you have to read nicely. In between of the lesson, the options will be given for you. So you have to read that lesson nicely so that options whichever it is given, it is easy for you to write. Isn't it? Now, sixth one, the story of Dr. Dolittle. The story of Dr. Dolittle. In that, Now, questions will come like this. Dr. Dolittle prepared his animals to the dash. Worse, good, nice, and another best people. So, which is correct answer you have to tick there. Which is correct answer you have to tick there. This is only revision. I don't think you have to, what is that called, thinking that I will not give any answer. But if there is online classes there in this week, I will revise with you. That's all. Otherwise, I don't know what to do. Nothing I know. You have to, for me, time is, this is the period is given, that much only I have to do. Okay. Now, coming to the another example also, I'll give you all this revision you have to do. Hmm? The idea was given to become animal doctor by rabbit, bird, cat's meat man, uh, people. So from this correct answer, which is you have to read the lesson for this. So in between, this is the examples I am revising you. So question one is there, the dogs and the children follow Dr. Dolittle. Search in that option. Question will. So all the question answers you have to study nicely for this. All the question answers. Don't forget to read the question answers. Question answers is very, 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 very important. Option will come from the question answer itself only. Now coming to the meanings. Meanings all no need. All meanings you don't go to study. In that page number 75 meanings all don't study. Only few meanings you study. Okay. First one is ridiculous. Page number 75. Lesson which one? You remember lesson 6. Page number 75 meanings. First one is ridiculous. Ridiculous. All the meaning don't go to study because there are rheumatism. Then linen closet. Cracker. Dresser. This many meanings you study. Others long meanings are there, so I am not going to take them. So these are the whichever meanings I said just now, those meanings you have to study. Coming to the comprehension lesson there, you have to study them nicely. This is the one you have to study them nicely. Page number 75. I told you page number 75. Then coming to the page number 76, working with the words. That is, you have to study, fill in the blanks with the words from the story. You will not find these sentences in the story. So these I have already done this in the class. You have to read that. I have done in the class already. Okay. Now coming to the down, underline the infinitives in the following sentences. That you don't. This exam it is not there because I require a class for this to nicely explain to you. Direct and indirect speech also not there. So this grammar part is not there. Not much you have to bother. Okay. Now whatever I have said, this much for today. One YouTube I am sending. You study this much for today. Understood? Next lesson, then we have to see what is that called, haircut. Next lesson, the haircut. So what happens here? Haircut lesson. Just take out haircut lesson. That is page number 84. You take out page number 84. The word meanings. First one, go to the words to know word meanings. Be amused. Tick the word meaning. Be amused. Determined. determined, grubby, insisted, marveled, preferred, reinvent, tramp. So this many enough. How many? Again I am reading you just to see which are the meanings that you have to learn them. Be amused, determined, grubby, insisted, marveled, preferred, reinvent, then tramp. This much enough. You study them nicely. Now coming to the next question answers. Coming to the question answers, I told you how the options will come from the question answers. Now, for example, DNP grew a beard because dash. DNP grew a beard because dash. He likes. People would think more highly of him. Parents likes. Then, so the answer will be there. Options are given accordingly. You have to write them. Answer which is correct answer you have to choose and you have to write. Okay. So don't forget all this revision. If you are not paying attention, I don't know. If you are not reading at all, then you do it your own. I don't know anything. Okay. Now coming to the what is that called? Next coming to the what is that called? Grammar part of it. Grammar part of it. Working with the words. Punctuate the following. That you have to. If I'm going to do that, I have not done. I think. Now the future tense and going to. That is not required. Then change the following, put going in a place the future tense and the future tense of the place of going to. That also not required. So you don't study those. Grammar I will take separately. Now next coming to the tragic story. So here you have to no, I haven't learned the poem by heart. You don't learn the poem by heart. You learn the meanings. Dangling, in vain, mused, pigtail, sage, slack. Okay, this many meanings you have to learn. Dangling, in vain, mused, pigtail, sage. So this many meanings you have to learn again and again. I am telling you. Now coming to the next page number. See, question answer you have to read, and the answers only option will be like last time. No, will be there in the answers will be options will be there. Understood? So what you have to do is you have to study first for that question answers. Coming to the page number 90 in that same lesson, page number 90. So it is there. Say whether the followings are in the simple present or present continuous tense. Or the present continuous tense. So I am eating my lunch. Present continuous. I eat my lunch every day. Simple present. Then third one. My lunch consists of rice and vegetables. Simple present. My father cooks very tasty food. Simple present. He is making a cake in the kitchen. Present. Which one? Present. Simple present. Then Sometimes we help him, simple present. Then my father works very hard, simple present. So that is very important, that grammar part, that you have to study nicely. So this much revision for today for you to study. So some more revision I will do you. Next grammar part revision is there. There I will send you other in YouTube. Okay. So till then you have to study nicely and do the revision. Do the revision. Don't waste the time. Don't go here and there. Now only few days left for you. Few days. Okay. Now within that few days you have to study and finish up your what that exam nicely. That's what I want to say. Your children, don't go here and there. Don't waste time. Get good marks. It is nice for you. Okay, then see you. God bless you and bye.